Hey, you there. Yeah, you. Do you know how to juggle? No. I mean like soccer juggling. No? How old are you? Oh, dang, that's old. And you do not know how to juggle? Okay, no worries. I got you. First, you're gonna need a flat ground. Make sure it does not have holes, or else you're gonna probably roll your ankle. Second, a ball. It doesn't have to be like this one. This is kind of flat, but just for the purpose, just to show you guys. Second, you'll need shoes. Not sandals, not barefoot, not Jordans, just regular shoes, the ones that you don't mind dirty. And then, of course, yeah, get in my frame. We love that. Anyway, so for the first step, I'm going to be demonstrating without a ball so you get the understanding of it. First step, imagine you're stepping on a box, an invisible box for my sake, but imagine that, okay? Make sure you use the leg that you're most dominant in this case. I'm a righty. I'll be demonstrating with my right. If you're a lefty, demonstrate with your left. In my situation, I'm a righty in my hand, but I prefer using my left. But in this case, we're just going to be showing you with my right. Okay, imagine you're stepping on a box. Okay, next one. Imagine as you're scooping with a spoon ice cream. You know how you go under? That's how you're going to do with your foot. Okay, stepping on the box, point toe under to pick up the scoop of ice cream, and then point up. Okay? So scoop, and once you get the hang of that formation, just keep practicing. Practice is key. Then, this is where the juggling happens. Make sure your foot is slightly pointing upwards. Not all the way, because then the ball might stay there or hit your face. Not pointing straight out, because then the ball will fling out somewhere else and you won't have control. But slightly. You see? Because this is halfway. Slightly is right there. Okay? Alright, once you get that form of formation, now you can practice on a ball. I am so sorry. He is special. Okay. Imagine you stepping on a box with your dominant leg. Scoop the ice cream cone. And then remember your foot has to be slightly up. Not all the way, slightly. Ugh. Okay. Scoop and start. Okay. I'm gonna demonstrate one more time. Dominant leg, imaginary box, scoop up, and kick off. Now you can alternate legs, that's the point. You cannot do it with one leg because the leg that you're standing on will get tired. Okay? You can use your legs, knees, shoulders, head. Do not use your hands. That's not the point of juggling. And that is how you juggle. Super easy. It's a 2.5 steps. And it's so easy, even my dog can do it. Sit. Sit. Start juggling. There you go.